Hi, I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
Certified aromatherapist for Simply Earth, and we love making essential oils easy. And that's why we came up with our essential oil recipe box. It's a monthly box with a different theme each month, and this month's theme is Home Detox Box. We're throwing out toxic cleaners for natural alternatives that are super easy to make. Plus they work.
Plus you get 4 full-size essential oils.
A lot of bonuses. In our recipe box, each month you get 6 different recipes. And they are created by us, certified aromatherapists, so you know that they're safe.
And we test them too, just to make sure.
It also comes with labels. And in this month's box, we're giving you a bamboo toothbrush, a 1-ounce container, and a 2-ounce spray bottle. The oils that come with this month's box are tea tree, which is an amazing cleaner, lemongrass, another great cleaner that has a really sharp lemon scent that makes your house smell so good. Peppermint Essential Oil, which is energizing and another really good cleaning essential oil. And the Clean and Fresh blend, which is designed to kill germs and make your home clean and fresh.
And for new subscribers, you get a handy dandy bonus box. Comes with all the contents that you're gonna need for the next 6 months worth of recipes. Like beeswax, comes with a solid coconut oil, a fractionated almond oil, a fractionated coconut oil, comes with 6 of the roller balls, and 6 of the 5 milliliter bottles that you're gonna use to make your master blends this month.
So Shyla, tell me about your favorite recipe in this month's box.
So my favorite recipe from this month's box is the Happy Home Diffuser Blend. So the Happy Home Diffuser Blend is going to help make my home smell extra clean when I'm cleaning it.
My favorite recipe in this month's box is the gunk remover, because my 2 daughters are having a lot of fun with stickers recently, and they put them all over the table. And this recipe helps me remove the gunk that's left behind. So to detox your home this month, you should subscribe to our essential oil recipe box.
Go to simplyearth.com and hit subscribe now.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.